is here at Microsoft Ignite 2018. My name is Akash Pavate. I'm a researcher in the Miracle Innovation Labs, here to demonstrate a voice-based bot which is built on Microsoft Bot Framework and is running on Harman Invoke speakers. Let's test the bot out. Hey Cortana, ask Filmer to pull out top 10 Tom Cruise movies with rating above 5.
Your graph will be up in a minute.
So what the bot just did is it understood my voice, it converted into text and then sent it to the natural language processing engine. This bot is backed by R and Python based advanced analytics which looks up into a database and then pulls out top 10 Tom Cruise movies with rating 5. What it just did is it just converted my language query into a computer understandable query and showed me a clean and neat graph of what I just asked for. This is how simple it is to get results out of a voice-based bot. Thank you.